So hello, let's move on to number 11 wherein we need to find the volume of that triangle wherein if we revolve it to the sides of first if it's revolved from x is equal to 12 b, or second x is equal to -1, and if y is equal to -3. So first we need to find an equation involving this triangle. So in order to find the equation, we will use slope-intercept form. So the formula y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. So using this formula, we came up with the equation y is equal to 3x minus 7, or x is equal to y plus 7 all over 3. So let's move on to the first problem wherein if we revolve it into the x is equal to 12. So with the formula pi integral of x squared dy from a to b. So by simple application, pi integral of 2 to 14, since we use vertices y, since we use dy, for it is parallel to the y-axis. So pi integral of y plus 7 minus 2 minus 12, since we take it to the x is equal to 12, is squared dy from 2 to 14. So by simply application, or by simplifying, we came up with pi integral of -36 plus y plus 7 all over 3 squared dy from 2 to 14, in which by evaluation, or by simply putting it in the calculator, we came up with the answer vertex or volume is equal to 604 pi cubic units if we rotate it from about x is equal to 12. So let's go to letter B, which is simply similar to letter A. It's just that -12 or -12 is now -1. So by simple application again, pi integral of -1 minus y plus 7 all over 3 squared rx dy from 2 to 14. By simple application, it will now, or simply simplifying, will be now pi integral of -y minus 10 all over 3 squared dy from 2 to 14. And by simply putting it in the calculator, we came up with the answer volume is equal to 448 pi cubic units. So for the letter C, state of letter C, it is much different. For y now is equal to -3. So y is equal to -3, so it will be now dx. So with the same formula, but now we will now use y squared instead of x squared. So pi integral of -3 minus y squared dx from 3 to 7, our point limits also change. It will be now x intercept. And by simply application, integral of pi integral of -3 minus ry, -3 minus 3x minus 7 squared dx, and by if we simplify it, will be now pi integral of -3x plus 4 squared dx from 3 to 7. And by simply putting it in the calculator, we came up with the final answer. Volume is equal to 532 pi cubic units if we rotate it from y is equal to -3.